Look at this absolute chunk. You look like a little baked potato. She's like a turtle stuck on her back. Here, baby. Hi, Mama. Mama's purring so loud as usual. Oh my goodness, you look like a little snow leopard. Look who finally decided to open his eyes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not making fun of you. Big boy. Don't hit your sister in the face. Look at how she's sitting. Are you tired of nursing, Mama? You're so sweet.
Somebody loves me. Everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together fits within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to try to hear. And when she was happy, so when she through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. When she loved me.
Look at this app.
Как тигр делает? Ох! Как?
Come on, Pedro. Come on, buddy. Oh, wobbly, wow. Come on. Right here. So cute.
Go Santente, I'm okay, I'm fine. Quinchana, Quinchana, ding, 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 ding. Go Santente.
In the big rock candy mountains, in the big rock candy mountains, all in the big rock.
Oh my God.
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No, no, you're too young. You can't have already figured that out. You can't have figured that out yet. No. No. You're not even 6 weeks old. 7 weeks. Okay, 6 weeks, I guess, is when you figure it out. Great.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the